So what's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I have somebody so special in the building today. I need y'all to guess who I got in the building with me today, because I normally go to them, but this time around they came to me, and they like top tier, like 10 out of 10, no, 100 out of 10. But let's not take long to let y'all see who in the building. It's your girl Key in the building. Getting her quick touch up. Y'all get it. Giving very much skin and aesthetic. Yes. Catch the vibe. I'm just letting y'all see the touch up on the looks very well. But I had to let y'all drop in and just let y'all see my girl, okay? But I'm gonna come back. We got another tutorial I'm dropping on small knotless later, and I will be recording it for y'all. I'm gonna need y'all to go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you love the content that I just created doing the large knotless plaits. Don't be afraid to like and comment, okay? Next lesson will come up next week. I'm trying to drop more inspirational hairstyles and more content creations by week on Blessedbyboosie now. So I am back, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.